trade with their neighbor Kamloops was suffering. On the other hand, the danger that came with accepting the British into their land was seriously considered.
Benta ka khat santarik nai wing araja arpolai ka sorkar jela ringkat kari kala rakhe ka sngi karpang ki rulum ne ka Jaiñtia Garo divas araja arpolai Nongbah Shillong Haka balapan I Sarong Iala ka jingrus pa ka Tynrai Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo Haka porman step kaladon ka jingyat pat ba na khandailat shaphalau usosotham auditorium bala khawe lama u chief secretary uba Donald P Walang kani ka jingrakhe ka bane shitayaw ka longban buram karpang yaki khalawat kanthop utirat sing ukyang Nongbah bat upatugan sangma lapalat pat ba yakakali pensyai pat ba yaki skim Haka bagi don hanyoposan tali ke district Hakari Haka ni ka sngi kala don ru ka jingbu sentio hakimot jong ke riu kraw da u menteri ka sorkar jala uba polling do u deputy CEM uba pensngan NCM commissioner and secretary ka arts and culture uba FR khar kongor IAS habakran hakani ka jingrakhe uba polling do ulaong bakalong ka badan kam ban penpau perthai ka jinglong karpang jong ki riulum bat ki Tynrai bat kani kalapau menta wat hakari baro kawei kat ba uba pensngan ula kentu bandon ka jingetrelang hapdeng ka district council bat katanat lariti ka sorkar ban penne bat pensa ya kariti dustur na kaliang u commissioner and secretary uba FR khar kongor ula batai ki jinet ki jinat jong ka program hakini ki shiposngi jong ka jingrakhe ya ka Jaiñtia Garo divas bat an penkot haka Tri Hills ensemble 2 haka arphosa wat arphosan tarik nai wing araja arpholai
This is the leader. This is Tynrai.
Can you pack some for me?
Yes.
Keep some for me.
Okay. I'll take for you.
Last time ini balon. Ini terlalu.
But not from
Because
government.
we start our program after PS.
This is for Sarong.
Take letter.
Tribal communities in the freedom struggle and motivate the coming generations for protecting our cultural heritage and national pride. We begin today's program with the
as the deputies of Khasi of the Constituency Council to be a part of this program, what we call Jaiñtia Garo Divas 2026, organized by the Haka Cultural Department. A big congratulations to the Agriculture Department for organizing this program, which is meant to remind us about the contributions given by our tribal leaders right from the time of independence. I understand that this program, the very intention and objective is to commemorate, to respect, to honor the contribution given by our tribal leaders. During these commemorations, I think we will not forget the contribution given by our great tribal leaders, Tynrai, Nongbah. They fought the hard battle against the British with the very objective to preserve, to protect the right of the tribal people. Right of the tribal people in terms of culture, custom, governance, land right, mineral rights. That is the main objective of our fighter. We are happy to the Prime Minister Nongbah for coming up with this beautiful program. But we should remember, ladies and gentlemen, that the government of India not only coming up with this program, also provided us the Article 242 under the Constitution of India and the section to make laws, to enact, to come up with rules and regulations in order to protect the rights of the tribal people. We are very happy and lucky compared with other people in the country of India. We have been protected. The area in Meghalaya, 98% are the tribal area. I think when we say tribal area, we should understand that. It means for us. It means for us. Nongbah, Tynrai, they fought every hard battle to protect the territorial rights of our people. We are very happy that this proposed amendment of the section, that this council will also be known as the Khasi Hill Territorial Councils. When we say territorial, I think we understand that it is our territorial right to protect our people. I am happy for the Agriculture Department that invited the Minister in charge of Agriculture as the chiefest and from the District Council as the guest of honor. In fact, it is my place. In fact, my secretary should attend this program because he is not there. I have to attend it. No, but it doesn't matter because Pyni, I think when you pronounce it by the Chinese. I think this is the beginning of our relationship between the agriculture and the District Council. Let us not only this program that we can come together in the future. I request the Minister of Business on the MPC to have a different program in coordination with the District Council so that we can protect our people. In the District Council, we have started new initiative. We have come up with a Khasi heritage village. There is very intention to showcase the rich culture, the rich tradition, the rich custom of our people. In fact, it should be the annual festival of our people. But due to financial problem, we cannot make it regular every year. We have started this Khasi Medicinal Institute.
A huge success. Commissioner in the department, Haka, the guest of honor who has just left us, PNC, DG GIE, Mr. Bhaskar, Mr. Sarong, Mr. Sarong, heads of educational institutions, students drawn from various schools, awardees who have been proactive in various fields of life and who have been achieving and who are the cause of our pride as we stand today to celebrate tribal culture pride. Just a while back, we noticed the Prime Minister of the country addressing a crowd at Haka. And although I could not make much of what the Prime Minister had said, I could notice that he was donning a gamcha from Assam. It is a move forward for India, which had a national anthem with no mention of the Northeast. And today, with the premier of the Prime Minister of the country dons a piece of fabric from the Northeast, it means that the Northeast has finally registered on the national mindset. I think we need a far warmer round of applause for Northeast India. Not for all alone, but for Northeast India, and for the fact that we have arrived and have been able to register ourselves on the national consciousness. Just a month back, the Prime Minister had also visited the media store at Delhi and saw for himself the various fabrics woven by our artisans and handicraftsmen and women. When you speak of tribal pride, or the pride of belonging to the soil, I think it is most important for us to keep in mind that the soil and the soul are one integral part of a tribe. I was part of a government-sponsored delegation to the United Kingdom last week, and I took some time off from a busy schedule to visit Stonehenge. And what surprised me was that Stonehenge more or less dated around the same time that we had the geological age called Mesozoic age. It's a matter of pride for us that the world has decided upon the name of Mesozoic age as a geological age 4,200 years ago till 1950. There's a lot that I wish to say, but time is a big constraint. I am sure many of you are looking for not food for thought at this point of time, but for food for your tummies. So I will accordingly adjust myself. Let me just say that when we talk of the brave hearts of Iala, one major and distinct factor is the fact that the Khasi resistance movement, led by Tynrai in 1829 onwards, was far ahead of the great revolution against the rules by the British of 1857, the first war of independence of 1857 came much after the Khasi resistance movement of 1829. 2010. So that is again a fact that should be fully absorbed by each of the tribals of this region. Today we have a space, today we have the capacity to protect, promote and perpetuate our interests within India. So friends, let us celebrate with a sense of pride and also celebrate with a sense that we should not only be proud of our past, but also do our bit so that future generations will be proud of today's generation. Thank you, Iala. God bless.
West Jaiñtia. As for East Khasi Hills. in the